Hello, welcome to Auto Repair and Care. No, I'm kidding with you. Um, I'm Auto Tipster. My name is Ulysses, and I'm getting ready to remove a thermostat from a 2014 Chrysler 300, 3.6 liter V6. So let's get right into it. Okay, first we want to start by loosening the breather tube clamps, flat screwdrivers, or either 8mm, whichever one is fine. After you move the breather tube, there's a connector over there on the breather tube, but you don't have to disconnect it because you're removing anyway. I have a drain pan under here, and I'm gonna release the pressure so we can do the repair. Whoopsie daisy. Slow down a little bit. Slow down. All right, that's good. Okay, it's two 10mm bolts, one at the bottom and one above. All right. Okay, as you can see, it's a fixed assembly thermostat, meaning that you'll have to press down on the thermostat if your fingers are strong enough, and twist, and the thermostat will come up and out in pieces, as you can see. Okay. So here we are with the old one. Make sure you pay attention to its orientation. This is the new thermostat. The bracket's actually, the retaining bracket is actually built into the spring, which is great. So it'll be less of a fight. And here we go with putting it down in its seating position. Remember, automotive repair is more about precision than speed. Remember that. Okay, I'm gonna see if I got the hand strength for this, because that older one was old. Okay, let's see here. Probably gonna need some gloves, maybe. Whoopsie daisy. Let me go grab some gloves real quick. Okay, here we are, round two. Fight! Okay. Let's push it down. Side down. Probably got to go down at the same time, and I'm probably making it look way harder than what it really is. sure it gets all the way into position. Never have donkey it, like my mom used to say. Okay, you want to get rid of the old seal, replace it with the new seal. Somebody tried to put a stop leak in this one already. You can see the little glitter. Okay. Slide it back in there. Just like that. Remember, the housing's made out of plastic, so it's not going to take very much torque. If you're not used to doing these kind of repairs, then I suggest you use a torque wrench and find out the manual specific torque. But what you want to do is you want your D seal to squeeze nicely, but you don't want to crack your housing. Okay, as you know, we're going to clean the filter and what we took off and put the filter back on, tighten the 2 clamps, and refill. You have your bleeder here, so when you fill it up, loosen this bleeder, and then you'll see coolant start to come out of here, and it'll be full, okay? But you probably want to check the system and the level again after you test drive your vehicle. All right, be very careful not to open your system under compression, or because it's a very, very hot system. Okay, the coolant system is hands down one of the most dangerous systems on a vehicle, so you have to be very careful. You have an upper radiator hose. If you grab the radiator hose and squeeze it, and it's very, very, very tight or tight at all, that means that your system is still under compression. You should wait until the system cools down and loses that compression, because anything that you do on the coolant system will definitely be dangerous. It's very hot, it's at boiling temperatures, and it will hurt you very bad. So be very, very careful if you're trying to do this on your own. And if you do have any questions, try to get somebody who knows what they're doing to go ahead and do it for you. Be very careful. I hope you like this video. Please like. If you don't subscribe, just push the like button. It would really make me happy if you let me know that it helped you at all. Thank you. Bye-bye.